All right, Carl asked, what are some tips to organize your job search? That's a great question, Carl, and a question I get a lot. Here's some tips for you. Tip number one is to define your career goals. That's to understand where you want to take your career, understanding a role's expectations, and how it aligns to the values, mission statement that you have personally as well. Tip number two is to create a separate email account. It helps with organization purposes. You're not missing any communication for potential future employers. And just shows a sense of professionalism. Tip number three is to utilize a spreadsheet. It helps with organization, tracking purposes. Usually some of the key terms used are company name, contact, the document submitted, date you applied, and where you currently are in process for that position. Tip number four is to keep all job descriptions. Allows you to refer back to and understand what they're looking for in a role, as well as understand from a personal perspective your background, skill sets, experience, and how it aligns to what the manager and role is seeking. Tip number five is to use a digital calendar. Helps keep track of where you are at the process, upcoming interviews, and of course avoid any scheduling conflicts that might happen.